All right, today's video is going to be very, very short. 4-6 is kind of a combination of everything we've been learning on chapter 4. So we'll be using all those different ways to show triangles are congruent. Your side, 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 your side, angle, 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 side, and hypotenuse side. We'll be using all of those in this section. Right? And you'll be happy to know this section is all about proofs. Yay! So we're going to start this one and end this one with a proof. It's asking us, how can we show that angle A is congruent to angle B? Well, the whole concept with this section is that if you can show two triangles are congruent, that means that all of their corresponding parts, which means their corresponding angles, corresponding sides, are going to be congruent. So in other words, if you can show that these two triangles are congruent, well, A and B, they're corresponding. So if the triangles are congruent, that means angle A and angle B are going to be congruent. So here's what it's going to look like in a proof. So obviously, we start with our givens. So we have angle ADC is congruent to angle BDC. And we have another given. AD, segment AD, is congruent to segment BD. Something that should stick out to you is we have a shared side, so we're going to use reflexive property and say that segment DC is congruent to segment DC. So that's reflexive property of congruence. Well, now we have congruent triangles because we have a side, an angle, and a side for both of them. So step 4 is going to be triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BDC. And again, that was side, angle, side. So that's what we've been doing so far, showing triangles are congruent. Well, because these triangles are congruent, that means that angle A is congruent to angle B. And we talked about when you have congruent triangles, all the corresponding parts are congruent. So when you say that two segments are congruent or two angles are congruent, because they're parts of congruent triangles, your reason is going to be an acronym, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. If you're not sure what an acronym is when you use the first letter of each word to abbreviate it. So corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So again, anytime you say, well, because I have congruent triangles, these corresponding parts are congruent, that reason is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So what's going to happen when you come to class tomorrow, or today if you're watching this on Friday, is you're going to break off into small groups, which I'm going to pick, and then you're each going to be assigned a proof and you're going to work together to try to solve that. And a lot of them are going to be using this corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That's it. That's your short video. Be worth it to watch it again, especially if you need more practice with these proofs. Other than that, there's no out-of-class assignment. Everything we're going to do is going to be in class.